That's not one. Guys, we're on the hunt today for the elusive Jurassic Park IndoRaptor. That's right, you heard me correct. IndoRaptor. You guys don't know what an IndoRaptor is? All right, let me explain. In Jurassic Park, they took a Velociraptor and they crossed it with Indominus Rex, and that gave an IndoRaptor. So Professor Henry Wu, he created this monstrosity, which is bigger, stronger, faster than your regular raptor. So I'm on the hunt for it. Let's see if we can't find one out here. We gotta be quiet and we gotta be careful. These things are dangerous. We've discussed what an IndoRaptor is. What I'm here to talk about is my good friend David Luoto. All right, none of this, what I'm doing in this video, would have been possible without David's help. All right, David is I would say he's a professional photographer and videographer. He would tell you no. He's really modest, but I am definitely an amateur and he's light years beyond me. So with David's help, this video came to be, all right, with Photoshop, with the sounds, with videography, everything. I mean, the way the photos look, the angles, getting down on the ground, getting down in the weeds, you know, I was mostly in the air-conditioned truck driving around for the photo shoot while David was doing the hard work. So if you guys need this type of photography, videography for your truck or car, reach out to him. I'm gonna put links in the description below. He's so down to earth and he is willing to travel a little bit, but you know, he is local to Gaston County, North Carolina. But you know, if you guys have pictures of your truck that you're wanting custom Photoshop work, you're wanting some stuff, reach out to him, just talk to him, get his ideas on doing the work, doing the job, and doing it right. Driving the Indo Raptor around, it's always a blast because it draws attention wherever I go. So yeah, anytime I take the truck out, it's fun to drive, and you know, I don't mind the attention. I like it when people ask me about the truck. I get this a lot. I get, "That a real Raptor?" Yeah, it's a real Raptor. Started off as a Raptor, I guess, because a lot of times people, they expect the decals on the sides, which I don't hate on it. I don't think the Raptor needs all that to scream out, "Hey, look at me, I'm a Raptor." All right, guys, there it is, IndoRaptor. This video's in the books. Follow David, links in the description below. Check him out, check my other links out. Head on over to the channel page, check all my videos out. Guys, the channel is blowing up, all because of Zeus right here and y'all. I appreciate you. Check y'all in the next video. Later now.